Hi, Richard from Total Parts Plus here. Today we have a 2010 Toyota RAV4 Cruiser, stock reference number 5595. This shape ran from the 11th of 2005 to the 11th of 2012. It is a 2A2 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an auto all-wheel drive transmission. We have a 2A2 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have our left-hand headlight, left-hand indicator, left-hand guard, good condition, bonnet, good condition, left front wheel, factory alloy mag, good condition, left-hand front door, left rear door, left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, good condition. Right hand tail light. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, good condition. Right rear door. Right front door, right hand mirror, right front guard, right front wheel, factory alloy mag, good wheel, right hand headlight, right hand indicator, right front door trim, right hand master switch, we have our center console, automatic gear shifter, heater and AC controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy leather steering wheel with audio buttons and cruise control.